Alright, you guys, so I'm going to be making pumpkin spice everything, but I wanted to show you a couple of other things that I got pumpkin spice because I just love pumpkin spice like nobody's basic business. But I did get some Dunkin' Donuts pumpkin spice coffee. I got it from Big Lots and it was $7, $6.99, but it was worth it. Not the craziest price I ever paid for coffee, but it is now on sale because it's after Halloween, and so you can grab some of that and have some pumpkin spice coffee. Another thing I wanted to show you guys that I got was the pumpkin spice wafers. I love these. I take these to work and we eat them up in about a day, but I absolutely love the taste of these. And then I have all this wonderful stuff. I'm going to be making pumpkin spice everything for you guys, but yeah, you might want to check these out. I'm not sure where they carry these everywhere, but for sure you can get them in Big Lots, and I want to say I paid like $2 for them, but don't quote me. I think they were like $2, but they are yummy. Everything here all finished. This is the pumpkin spice puppy chow. I threw a few of the pumpkin spice wafers with a few little sprinkles for decoration. Pumpkin spice Rice Krispie treat. This is the pumpkin nog style drink and the pumpkin spice coffee. I am gonna go and basic myself out.